How to change Spotify username. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can change your Spotify username. So the first thing you want to do is simply open up the Spotify application on your mobile device and then make sure you are logged into your Spotify account. Now once you're logged in, your homepage will look somewhat like this, where in order to change your Spotify name, simply tap on the settings icon which is in the top right corner of your screen. After that, you'll be taken to this page. This right over here is your Spotify account name. So in order to change your username, simply tap on it and then it will take you to your profile, where you'll have to tap on the option edit. After that, you will be able to change your profile picture and your name. So in order to change your name, for now I'll simply remove this. And now once you're okay with your new Spotify username or your name, now remember one thing, both of your Spotify username and your Spotify name is the same, so it doesn't matter which you are changing, as it is the same thing. Now once you're okay with that, simply tap on the option save, and there you have it. That is basically how you change your Spotify username or name. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.